Conversion from NFA to DFA. Conversion from NFA to DFA. Suppose we have this NFA. Then what will be the transition table for this? Transition table will be for 0 transition, for 1 transition, for Q0 state, from Q0 for 0 transition where we are moving Q0 and Q1 both. From Q0 for 0 transition where we are moving on Q0 only and Q1, Q0, Q1 both. So we will write here both Q0 or Q1. And from Q0 for 1 transition where we are moving Q1. So we will write here Q1. In the similar way, for Q1, 0 transition, there is no 0 transition for Q1. This is blank. And for 1 transition, where it is having heading on Q1. Or Q1 or Q0 both. Q1 or Q0 both. So for Q0 for 0 transition we have Q0 Q1, and for 1 transition only for it is heading towards Q1, and Q1 for 0 transition there is no transition, and for Q1 for 1 on Q1 and Q0 both. So we write here Q0 Q1. This is the transition table for NFA. Now we are making the transition table for DFA. This is for NFA. Now we are making transition table for DFA. How we are going to make? In the similar way, 0 transition, 1 transition, and the states. We start with the initial state Q0. Now we will use this transition table. So for Q0, where it is heading towards Q0 Q1, and for 1 it is heading toward Q1. And what we have, Q0 Q1 will remain same, but here we have new state. What is new state? That is Q0 Q1, because we have this transition. So we have this new state. So now we will see what is the transition for Q0 Q1, or we are getting some new states from this state or not. So for Q0 or Q1, where we are heading when we have 0 transition, we are heading Q0 Q1 both, because in Q0 when 0 transition is there, so it is heading towards Q0 Q1 both, and in Q1 there is no transition. But if we combine both states in a single state, which is Q0 Q1, because here we are getting this new state in NFA table from the transition diagram, from the diagram which we have. So we see the transition for this new state, which is Q0 Q1. So combining them for 0 transition, what we will get? We will get Q0 Q1. And for transition 1 for this state, because in both state Q0 Q1 is present, so what we will get? We will get Q0 Q1. So these are all states which we have. There is no new state when we are going towards DFA. So now we can make the diagram with the help of this transition table. So we can make the diagram Q0 Q1 and Q0 Q1. These 3 states are present in this table, which is DFA table, transition table. One more important thing is there. Whatever we have the final state, as we have in NFA, we will make that final state in DFA, but whatever states are combining with this final state, that will also be the final state. So here we have this Q1 as final state. So in this DFA also we have this final state, but with this in the combination with this state, all the state will be final state. So here we can say Q0 Q1 is another state, and this is with the combination. This is with the Q1, which is final state. So this will also be the final state, and Q0 will remain the initial state as it is above. So now we can make the transition from Q0 to 0, where it is heading Q0 Q1. So 0 transition, and Q0 to 1 on Q1, so 1, and from Q1 there is no transition for 0, and for 1 there is transition for 1, and from Q0 Q1 both the transition are Q0 Q1. So we will make a loop of 0 1. So here we can say that from Q0 we have transition for 0 and 1, from Q0 Q1 we have transition for 0 or 1, but in Q1 we have transition for 1 only, but there is no transition for 0. So we will add one trap state from here, which will give 0 transition. So, and also make a loop of 0 1 for this trap state. So this is trap state, or we can say dead state. Trap state, or we can say dead state. So in this way we can convert this NFA. We can convert this NFA into DFA. Now take next example. Now we take next example. Suppose we have this NFA. Suppose we have this NFA. So we have to convert this NFA into DFA. So first what we will do, we will make a transition table for this. So transition table, so 0 for 1. So what will the transition table for A? For A, instead of Q0 Q1 we will take ABC also, that is also possible. So for A, where the transition is moving for 0, for A only, so we will write A here. And for 1, what will the transition? A and B both, because from A it is heading towards A and heading towards B also. 1 transition for 1, so we will write AB. And in the similar way we will see for B. For B, for 0, there is a transition for C heading towards C, and for 1 also it is heading towards C. And now we see the transition for C. There is no transition for C, while C is a final state. So this is the NFA table, transition table. Now we are going to make the transition table for DFA. Transition table for DFA. In the same way, transition for 0, transition for 1, and start with the initial state A. So what are the transition? From here similar, A and AB. And now we will see this state AB, because this new state came here. So we will see, we will write AB. So what will the transition for AB? For A, where we are heading when 0 transition is there, A, and for B, where we are heading C. So what we will have here, A, C. And for AB, for 1 transition, for A, for 1 transition we have AB, and for B, for 1 transition what we have, C. So this all will come. So what we will have here, A, B, C. All state will come here. This new state come, which is ABC. So we have now initially we have this new state AB. So we take the transition for this according to this state. Now we have these 2 states. So we will take transition according to these 2 states. First we will take AC. So for A, when the zero transition, what we have A, and for C there is no transition. So what will remain here? A. And for 1, what is transition for A? For A, AB, and for C there is nothing. So what we will get here? AB. And so now AC transitions are over and there is no new state. So what this new state is left? So what is this? ABC. So now we will see for ABC. What is this ABC? Transition for 0, for A, only A, and for B, C, and C is nothing. So what we will get? AC. So there is no new state. And for 1 transition, what we will get? For A for 1, we have AB, B for 1, we have C, and C for we have nothing. So what we will get? ABC. So no new state has come. So this is the final DFA table. So this is the NFA to DFA conversion. Now we can make the diagram according to this table. What will the diagram? Start with the initial state A, and from for 0, this transition for a loop because A is on the A only, and for 1, what we have? AB. So we will make AB as a new state with the transition 1. Now from AB, for 0 transition, where we are heading? Towards AC. So we will make AC state, and we make a transition for 0, AB to AC. And from AB to 1, what state we have? ABC. So we will make another state ABC. And from AB to 1, from AB to 1 transition, what we have? ABC. So this is ABC. Now from AC, for 0, where we are heading? Towards A. So make a transition like this, 0. And for AC, for 1 transition, where we are heading? Towards AB. So this is AB. Now A is over, AB is over, AC is over. Now ABC is left. So for ABC, for 0 transition, where we are heading? Towards AC. So 0 transition. And for ABC, for 1, where we are heading? Towards ABC only. So 1. So now we can see from A, 0 transition, 1 transition, from AB, 0 transition, 1 transition, from AC, 0 transition, 1 transition, and from ABC, 0 transition and 1 transition. Our transition, all the transitions are present, so there will be no dead state or trap state. This is the DFA in which we have no dead state, trap state, because all transitions are correctly going to all the states. So now one more thing is left, as I have discussed in the last example also. Whatever final state will be present, including that that will be the final state, but if that state is coming with any other states, then all those states will be the final states. So this is C is final state here. So we can see AC will be the final state because C is present in AC, and ABC will also be the final state. ABC will also be the final state. So this is the final DFA. So in that way we can convert this NFA into this DFA with the help of the transition table.